Hey my dear friends, how are you? So I've got started on the Dragon Models Tiger tank. So have a look at this thing. So I've put a bit of the Zimmerit on and it fits really well. So I've seen some other people build this one before and it didn't look like it flowed that well, but I've made it go on really good. And then you can see the front end here. But I pushed really hard, like I put a lot of acetone in there and melted that plastic up good. Now it's like one, and it's all pushed in and there's no gaps and there's no nothing like that. And then we've got Wittmann's back plate, and then you see how you cut this out here, so you can put a decal in later, which looks pretty cool. But also you could cut these plastic parts up, you know what I mean, because they go over the top of the actual base. So you see you got your baseline there, and then over the top you put this extra part that's the actual Zimmerit part. So you could actually cut it out and create the damage that way. But I didn't want to do that. It's a new tank by Wittmann, so it's going to be all nice and new. But the detail on it as well is outstanding. I'm really happy with Dragon Models at the moment. Absolutely amazing. I really like those torsion bar systems as well. They actually work okay, but you're never going to get okay workings with plastic parts. You really need metal for a proper functioning torsion bar. Absolutely amazing. The wheels are really nice. I'm just starting to put together the magic track, so I'll do them in 10 batches because there's no pins in these. These are the pinless magic track ones. So yeah, I'll just put together 10 and then put a bit of masking tape, and then we can get up to 94 of those, and we'll put them together, glue them up, wrap them around, and then hopefully we can pull the whole assembly off. Hopefully. And I've glued, see, these two here together, but they still spin, so that was very delicate gluing. So nothing's actually glued on, but, and then I've got a bit of blue tack holding that on because they just sit on. This one and the front one just sit on, so hopefully it comes off. But these ones, see these ones here, that sit on a lot tighter, so hopefully we can pull it all off without damaging anything. But if not, we'll just paint it as it is. It's not the end of the world. Now we can have a look here at the two battle tanks of the German Wehrmacht. Look at the size difference. But here I'm experimenting with some more oils, so of course oil weathering. And I've just put some lighter grey, sort of neutral grey in certain points, and I'm just going to try some things with that and see if we can lighten up a bit of this a little bit. But this is coming along really well. This is nearly done. So after the rusting, I touched it off with some subtle dirt filter. This one here by MIG. Really good products, these ones. I highly recommend you get their range. This new MIG range here, and it comes in these kind of bottles. Absolutely fantastic stuff. The battle tanks, so this is all glued in now, so the turret's glued in and that's glued into its spot, and I've just painted up its little cap here for that, and that'll go over the top there. The Hummel just needs its camouflage templates cut up, which I'll do. That'll take a while to do, but it's, yeah, got its sort of green on. Then we'll cover that with some, you know, the camouflage templates we want, and we'll go over it with, again, with the German yellow, dark yellow. And we're doing some more weathering on some older ones because I would like to do weather up this one to go with that Panther we have. So I'm just going to finish this off. Looks amazing. It's one by Dragon. It is really exciting little one, and really nice, beautiful interior detail. So that'll be the exciting one to look at. And if I can get my camera set up, we can actually do some weathering of it together. and the Panhard, which is going to be for Operation, it's either not Bagration, Blitzkrieg or Typhoon. I haven't worked out that one out yet. Alright, I've just shown you what's on the bench, and there will be more videos coming very soon. I'll see you guys again. And there's Elsie. Hey Elsie, just had a feed, hadn't you? It's very cold at the moment. Alright my friends, I'll see you again soon.